Welcome to Willow's World of DIY Cooking Edition. I'm Willow, and today we're going to be cooking Cornish hens stuffed with wild rice. Let's get to it. Okay, we're going to start off by cooking the Zatarain's long grain wild rice. Pour the bag in, and it takes 2 1/4 cups of water. And throw in a little bit of butter. And we are going to let that cook for 25 minutes. Once it starts to boil, we can set our timer for 25 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 25 minutes.
Alright, 25 minutes. And we're starting now.
And reduce the flame to a simmer. Okay, while the rice is cooking, we're gonna go ahead and prepare our Cornish hens and get them ready to stuff. Alright, we're going to rub them down with butter. And get on the inside as well. And I prefer to use real butter, but I don't want to go to the grocery store with all this coronavirus stuff just for some butter. So I'm just using the butter that we have. Hey Google, show me the timer.
You've got 1 minute and 57 seconds remaining.
Okay, now that the rice is done, we can shut that off and start stuffing the Cornish hens. Okay, now that we got our Cornish hens stuffed, we're going to squeeze some lemon on them. And now we're going to season them. I just use McCormick garlic salt and smoked paprika. I don't go crazy on the garlic salt, just a little bit. Just like that. I put a little extra butter in the pan. And there's different ways you can cook these. I've cooked them in the main oven. If I'm cooking a few of them. If I'm cooking one for myself, I cook it in the toaster oven. But today we're gonna take them outside and cook them on the Traeger Silverton 620. Alright, this is the Traeger Silverton 620. Got the temperature set at 375. It's a little cold outside. It's only about 43 degrees. So I set the temperature a little higher. If I'm cooking inside on the oven, I usually set it for 350. I set the timer for an hour and 15 minutes. It's been about 45 minutes. We're just checking them. I'm moving around because there's a hotter area on the grill over here. It looks like I need to add some water. Alright, so I'll cook for another 30 minutes. A thermometer. You want them to get to 180 internal temp, but when you pull on the legs, I can usually tell if they're done when they come off like that. They're ready. That's the stuff right there. I hope you all found this helpful. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. Thanks for watching Willow's World of DIY. Until next time.